First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Things are much quieter this morning over southern Kentucky after last night's Halloween storm of 2013. Some minor wind damage, a few reports of trees down, power lines in a few cases. And you may want to watch this morning for your drive into work or school. There's lots of debris, especially out in the countryside, debris on the roadway, tree limbs, lots of leaves kind of clogging up the ditches and causing some slick spots even on the roadways. But as you look at First Alert Live Doppler radar, all is clear this morning. All the nasty weather has moved well to our east. We're at 53 degrees currently. And as we check the hometown forecast today, this time we go to Barren River Lake. And it's going to look much better around the lake today than it did yesterday. It's still on the breezy side, but not as windy as it was yesterday when we had those 20, 30, 40 mile per hour wind gusts. Today it's going to be more in the order of, say, 15 to 20 miles per hour, maybe this afternoon, with a mix of sun and clouds. 67 for Bowling Green, 68 Franklin, maybe a high of 66 for Scottsville, 67 for Glasgow. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot for Saturday night estimated to be at $60 million, while the Mega Millions drawing is at $87 million. We're seeing now a 49 up there in Hardinsburg. That's one of the cooler readings on the Mesonet sites. Everybody else in the low to mid 50s this morning. Lower 50s back to the west. Warmer mid 50s as you head out to the east. That cooler air starting to work in. Not so much today. Today will be slightly cooler than yesterday, but it's tomorrow. And for the rest of the weekend is when that real shot of cooler air starts to work in as we, of course, fall back for daylight saving time. Live from Doppler Cam, a mainly clear sky, a few high clouds to our east at this hour. Currently, we're at 53 degrees. The winds are from the southwest at 4, have relaxed a lot of the winds from last night, and the pressure steady at 2978. A tour of some of our AAA Systems weather cams. Here's Franklin, Simpson County, 53 degrees at this hour. Russellville is a calm 51 under a partly cloudy sky in Logan County. And here's the sleep-in weather cam at I-65, exit 22, Scottsville Road. In the Greenwood area, we're seeing temperature there of 53 degrees. 54 at the Bowling Green Airport, 46 Indianapolis, 58 Charleston. Look at that, almost 70 at Raleigh-Durham as the front is punching its way eastward. Though we're seeing a 12-degree drop in temperature over the 6 o'clock hour yesterday. Temperatures even back to the west, 15 to 20 degrees cooler in the advent of that front. There goes all that nasty weather for our Halloween. It's now well east of us. Things are looking much better here. We are seeing some light rain showers off to the north and west of us ahead of the next front. There's kind of a backdoor front that's going to slide through the area tomorrow. We've got this front out of the way, all the nasty weather over for us. Look for a mostly sunny day today. There could be a few clouds at times, but here's our backdoor front. It's a weak one, but strong enough to produce some cloud cover, maybe even a light rain shower or sprinkle sometime during the day, tomorrow afternoon, early tomorrow evening. But this will be the front that will usher in the much cooler air that will be with us for the rest of the weekend. Mostly sunny, breezy today, not as windy as yesterday though, a high of 67. Then for tonight, partly cloudy, it will be cooler with a low of 43. Tomorrow, a much cooler 58, but breezy too, and that wind is going to make it feel a little bit brisk with that slight chance of a shower. Sunday, 57 and cool, 64, warming it up from Monday and Tuesday to 67. Near 70 Wednesday, and another possible stormy weather scenario coming in for Wednesday and Thursday of next week. And don't forget, this is the weekend. We set our clocks back 1 hour, Sunday morning, 2 a.m. Daylight saving time comes to an end. It's not savings time, it's saving.